What are we going to do today?
We are doing the sparrow and doing this one.
I think you can put some more. Yeah.
Maybe do some baking soda.
That's too much! Lots of bubbles. Shall we try again? Okay, let's do it again. I think you can add some more vinegar. Wow, look at that. So what happened was there was a chemical reaction between the baking soda and vinegar. As the carbon dioxide gas is produced, the pressure builds up inside the volcano until the gas bubbles exceed the volcano. Do you get it? Yeah. Okay, shall we do some more? Put some vinegar. Maybe more and more and more. And now you can add some baking soda. Keep watching, keep watching, keep watching. See? Wow. Hey, nice one. Did you have lots of fun?
Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.